Hey guys, we're at Rhodes Ranch, and as you can see, there's peanut butter behind me. I was planning on having a quiet afternoon, just relaxing, but Josh is very anxious to get the garage cleaned out at the ranch. It has stuff from years and years of even previous owner, so he's anxious to get it organized, and now that he's got me organizing, I'm like anxious to get it done. So here's before. Well, right now it's just a bunch of junk. He has a junk pile over there, and he's just been slamming things in here. And so as you can see, that part of it's not done. This part of it, I was here. You can see that too. Oh, that's Adventure Crow. Anyways, you can see I'm slowly getting things done for him. We got one cabinet organized. We're working on the next one and see what happens. Okay. As you can see, we are making progress. Starting to really come together. Josh is up in the loft. Say hi, Josh.
Hello.
I put him to work. Hey.
Huh.
What have we been doing here today?
I don't know.
You don't know?
We're cleaning, fall cleanup.
It's been a fun time, huh?
We didn't have time in the spring, so.
And you wanted to do it during our anniversary.
Yeah, we still might at the lake house.
No. I gave up my Sunday. I'm not giving up my anniversary. How many years is it?
20.
20.
And you know, I remember because it was in 2000, so get married on a nice even year where you remember your anniversary date.
So we're getting closer. We're getting very close. We just have to get the junk out, and then we're gonna sweep it out, and then we'll be done. Oh, thank God. So we live in northern Michigan, and the state soil is sand. That's all the sand that was coming through into our pole barn. So Josh is blowing it out. Okay, we finally finished, and it is not the crazy mess that it was earlier today. Josh is gonna start putting the tractor implements into the garage. I cannot believe how much stuff was in here. The back of the truck is full of recycling, random pieces of wood. We put a trailer full of free stuff by the side of the road. Somebody just stopped and is picking stuff up right now. So just crazy amount of junk. We've been in the ranch for 2 years, and it just seems like it really collected. And I don't know who belongs to what, but anyways, so let's see how we did. All right, there's Josh. He's gonna start bringing the implements back in, and I think we did a pretty good job. It looks way better than what it was before. Like, there's like defined spaces, like there's stuff for all of his, you know, random shovels and stuff. Basically, we got everything set for oil, and we have a gardening section, we have grilling stuff and seasonal things up top, and we've got all of his stuff for his food plots, and we haven't finished the tool setup that stove is leaving. It's actually being given to a lady who needs it. We're having it repaired. But then we have some tool stuff we have to get taken care of, and of course there's a fridge. So it looks way better than it did, and it took us several hours, probably 5 hours to get this done, but we can successfully say that we have completed the task, and I am glad it's done. The implements are going back in now. Eventually, we'd like to have a lean-to or something where we can put them in, but for now, we want to keep them out of the elements and take good care of our stuff as much as we can. Hey guys, so we had an adventure today, a cleaning adventure, and sometimes that's what you have to do. You have to clean. Fall cleaning, spring cleaning. Not what I wanted to do today, but at least it's done, and it always feels good after it's done. So we've got everything back in the garage. Josh is happy, I think, and a lot of the stuff by the side of the road's already on. So we just want to thank you for watching our channel. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and we'll see you on our next video. Other videos that are coming up, probably going to be Harvest Fest and Josh's final video for his motorcycle trip. So be on the lookout. Thanks for watching.